So hey guys, I recently did started my micro twistlocs 2 weeks ago, and I realized they have started unraveling. So today I decided to do the interlocking at the roots, so that way I won't have a hard time with the retwisting from like doing the same thing over and over again. At least the interlocking at the loops will help, and that's what I'm doing. And it wasn't that hard because the hair did not have much growth, and as you can see, they're unraveling. So I was going through, retwisting the ones that have unraveled so much, and then after this twisting I'll interlock. I would say I'm enjoying this hair. It's easier to manage, no more combs, and wash days are much easier, because I don't have to comb, be careful, and just be with me on this journey. And I'm looking forward to see, to experience this journey for months to come, years. I'm looking forward for this. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of content, and I'll try and be more active. And thank you for watching. Please, I'll see you in my next video. So right here I was just trying to, I was done, and I love this hair, and I don't know how many microlocs I have. So if you're interested to know, stay here, and really soon we'll be doing another video of counting how many microlocs I have. I started my microlocs myself, so yeah, thank you for watching.